If you are concerned about a partner using dating apps, it is crucial to recognize that many investigative methods involve violating privacy and could seriously damage your relationship. Available techniques include utilizing specialized, often paid, third party services like user search or social catfish to look up profiles via name or email. You can also manually check for an existing account by attempting to sign up with their email or phone number, as a taken email indicates a prior profile, or by initiating a password reset, which will alert them to the attempt. For a potentially certain answer, you could create your own profile on the site, adjust search filters, and manually look for them, or use a reverse image search on a favorite photo. While snooping through browser history is unethical and a privacy violation, a healthier, recommended alternative is to foster openness by discussing your worries and proposing a mutual, transparent device sharing agreement.